World Environment Day is a call to action because we only have one Earth and climate change will destroy its fragile balance if we don't act now. Already this year, Pakistan has suffered a record-setting heat wave. In East Africa, the worst drought in 40 years has left 20 million people hungry. Climate change is making such events more frequent and severe. The solution is clear. Humanity must revitalize its relationship with the environment and limit the emissions that cause climate change. That's why AKU, together with the Aga Khan Development Network, has pledged to achieve net zero carbon emissions by 2030. It's why we have already installed more than 1,000 solar panels and are eliminating the use of 750,000 plastic water bottles a year. It's why our new university center in Nairobi was built to reduce energy consumption by 40%. Net zero carbon emissions is an ambitious goal. Few universities have achieved it. I know we can do it, but we need each and every member of the AKU family to contribute to the cause. Today, we launched the One AKU for One Earth campaign. I urge you to become champions of sustainability at AKU and beyond, and inspire others to join the global movement. Future generations will ask, what did you do to protect the only Earth that we have? Let's make sure we can all say, I did my part.